Alright, now this is mounting my CB radio antenna, one on each side on my Silverado. There you go, right there. I haven't adjusted it because I haven't actually put the CB in yet, but anyway, where it's going to go is exactly right there. Just take that cover, and there actually is a hole in there that's for who knows what, but it's there ready for a screw on to this thing. What this is nothing more than a mirror mount, and it swivels, so it's going to be perfect. I'm going to run the wire right through the actually it's going to be completely hidden and goes in right there and goes right into the dash. And this is a phased, so we're going to put both of them together, one on each side. There you go, and that's on my dually. Okay, so this is my Silverado. Actually, what I did is I turned this thing upside down. And look at this. There's a hole. There's a hole right there. How is that? The hole is right there. Perfect. Look at this. It's right there. Don't know what that's for, but it's perfect. And all I did is turn that little thing the other way. So this is a mirror mount for a semi. So here's the antenna mount right next to the regular radio antenna. I think I'm going to put a stubby on there, but there's a mount on the outside. Over here, I just cut the hole like so, just enough to run the antenna through. Well, here's what it looks like. It's got the other little antenna. Okay, I ran it through here. I had to put a little bracket in there to hold it because the other antenna hole that I'm using on the other side wasn't available. So I ran the cable through the inside because I couldn't find a place. I ran it all the way across, like so. And run it into the firewall because it's a co-phase, so it runs two, one that way and one over here, like so. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Looking at it from the front, it's got two center load antennas right there at the front. Well, I mounted my dual antennas for the CB in the truck. What I did is I just took that off and just ran them through there, both of them. And the antenna wire I ran through there. Just that grommet. All these F350s and 250s have that grommet right there on both sides, so you can run, just pull it out. It's real soft. It's hard on the outside because it's been there for a long time, but it's really soft. Just pull it and then run the wires through there, and they don't get in the way of the hood at all. And then I just pulled them in through here.